Today I'm going to show you how you can record your computer screen without installing any third-party application. If you already use any application, that's fine. I'm not asking you to uninstall it, but I'm just trying to show you the easiest way to record your computer's screen. To do that, you need to open this URL in Google Chrome. Please use Google Chrome because other browsers may not support. Sorry. I have mentioned this URL in the video description as well. Now once you are here, scroll down a little and now you can see the option which says mic and system audio. If you want to record the screen with audio, you need to keep the mic turned on. System audio, you can still turn it off or keep it on, that's up to you. Now click on start recording option. Now you can select entire screen or you can select any application window. If you select any application window, only that application window will be recorded. Your entire screen will not be recorded. Or you can choose any Chrome tab. Let's try entire screen and click on this window and click on share option. Once you do that, you will be asked to allow microphone because I have kept the microphone on. So let's click on allow option. Now the recording has started already. Once you are done with the recording, click on stop recording option and the video will be played. The one what you have just recorded. Now the recording has started. Video will be played here. If you are satisfied with it, you can click on download recorded video option. Now video is always downloaded in .webm format. This format can be opened with VLC player or you can open with Google Chrome or you can open with Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. If I click on this, it will be opened with Google Chrome by default. Now the recording has started already, or you can go to your computer's download folder and find the video. If the video is here, you can right click on it and choose to open with Google Chrome or Firefox or VLC player. Now the recording has started. If you want to upload this video on YouTube, you don't have to convert it to MP4 or any other format. YouTube supports WEBM format. You can directly upload without doing anything. That's it. If you like the video, you can subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.